contrary to popular opinion, Republicans won't get patted on the back or get new votes because of passing amnesty. They're going to get blamed. And it's my prediction that the House Republicans could put themselves in a position where they could actually lose the gavel in 2014. Because I think the president, even by executive order, could again wave his magic wand before 2014, and he'd say, now all of the new legal Americans are going to have voting rights. Why do I say that? He did it in 2012. Do you remember? Anyone who was here as a Latina under age 30, he said, you get to vote. What? He decides you get to vote? If he did it in 2012. No, take it to the bank. He'll do it in 2014. And then guess what'll happen? Democrat in the White House, Democrats controlling the Senate, Democrats controlling the House. At that point, they will change election law. And it will be almost impossible to ever see a Republican majority again. Do we get how important this is? I'm not crying wolf here. This is the most important vote that we're going to take in the next 2 years. And it's Republicans that somehow seem determined to do this. So we've got to get phone calls, because WorldNet Daily listeners need to understand this too. They need to understand that there are conservative Republicans, self-styled conservative Republicans, that are for amnesty. People you would never in a million years in the House of Representatives that you would think could possibly support this foolish decision, but they do. And so don't assume just because you're a member of the House of Representatives as a Republican or conservative, don't assume that they're going to vote against a bill that has legalization, even if it's guest worker, even if it's a germ of a bill that gives legalization status. That's what President Obama will take, and he'll run a mile, and we'll have full-on perpetual amnesty with no hope of deportation ever. We will have lost control of the borders.